Watch this.
Mama, good morning. Aren't you Zara's friend? Yes, Mama, I am. And you are pregnant Zara's husband to be? Mama, it wasn't never planned for any of this to happen.
How to
Are you
create
sure this baby
AI
belongs to my
movie
son? How
with
can you be
dialogue.
pregnant for your best friend's husband to be?
Specifically, how to make your AI videos talk.
Mama,
Multiple
please.
people in the
Where I
scene
come
talk
from,
to
if I
each
give
other.
birth to this child
That
outside
is the
wedlock, the
tutorial
baby will
of
not
this
belong to
video. If
Henry.
it's
The
what
baby
you are
will belong to my
interested in,
family. That is only
make
if you're
sure to
sure this
hit the
child
like
belongs to
button,
my son.
subscribe to the channel,
Henry, show her to
and
the
drop a
guest room.
comment on the
Let her
comment
stay
section
there.
first.
We need to
Before
talk
going
about
over
this
to
and
my
decide
phone,
what to do.
I need you to
We need to visit
understand
Zara's
something.
parents.
When it comes to
Mrs. Obi,
dialogue,
we are here
hmm,
to see you about Know the
the
Word.
shorter, the better.
Ma, I never planned any of this. If I
If
wanted
you
to hurt
want
those
a
people, I would have
scene,
planned to hurt
like
them
this
as opposed to
particular
hurting
scene
them.
you're watching right here,
I'm so
I
disappointed in you.
generated
How could you?
that scene
How could you
up
get
to
your
five
fiance's best friend pregnant? How could you do
times.
this to our daughter?
Meaning 10,
What
10
kind of
seconds,
embarrassment is
one
this?
particular scene when the two parents are talking. This is my movie series. Okay, this is a part five that I'm generating where multiple characters are talking. I
Ma, I'm
generated
sorry.
this scene
I
up
honestly
to
don't know what
five
happened that night.
times.
I had some wine and
You
I
can
woke up
see right
sad.
there are
I
about
never meant for
four
this to happen.
people
Please
in
give
the
me a chance. I
scene.
love Zara. I don't want to lose
Four of
her.
them cannot talk at
I
a
would love to
time.
meet you
The
tomorrow.
best you
Can
can
you come
get
to
is
my
get
house,
two
please?
people to talk at the same like when you're generating one, you get two people to talk. When you're generating, either you get two
Please, Mama,
people to
to
talk or
this.
you get one person to talk. It
I
is
think I need to
better
talk to my
and
mom and
easier
find out
and
what
you
to do
get a better
next.
result. Okay. So when you're generating such a scene that have up to four characters in the scene and each of
Mama,
them
I
have
have
to
something
talk,
to discuss
all
with
of them
you.
cannot talk in one
What is
video,
it?
in one video generation. Apart from
Mama,
Sedans
this is what has been
2.5,
happening.
the other AI video
My best
generators
friend
gives
is
you,
pregnant
I
from
think Sedans
Henry.
2.0 gives you
What?
15 minutes,
Henry got your
but
best
every
friend
other
pregnant?
generation,
What kind of
Google Flow,
witchcraft are
Flow
you
gives you
using?
about 10
What kind of rubbish is
seconds.
that?
Okay, so
Mama,
you can't
this is
have
what is
your
going on.
character
Someone called
talking
me
for
last
long.
night and told me not to stop my
That is
wedding
so
because of this
you keep
pregnancy.
what your
She
character
said
will
the
say
baby will not
short
belong to
at
Henry.
each
Mama, I don't understand.
generation.
I'm confused.
All right.
How
I
long
need
is
to
the
explain
pregnancy? How
this
many
in a
months
clearer
now?
way
It's
before
about
we
7 months now.
proceed.
7
I'm sorry
months.
for taking your
That means
time.
she was
When
already
you want your
pregnant
character to
before
talk
Henry even came
multiple
to ask for your
times,
hand in
you do
marriage.
not give them
My
those
daughter, I
details.
think
Now
we
you
should do
give
the
you
wedding on
there are
Friday.
cases where
The
your
person who
character,
called you,
one
you know
character will
her.
say one
If you
thing,
know her, don't
the
call
next
her.
character will
I
say
think you
one
need to
thing.
talk to
The
Henry
next
first and let's see what's
video,
putting the
all
wedding
right, you
off.
generate that,
Thank
download it
you.
and save.
I think that's what
You
I want you
generate
to do.
another
Reply
one.
to
The
Henry
same
that
character will
he
say
asked for his
another thing, not
husband
what
so we
the
can
character has
discuss
said
putting the
before.
wedding on hold
So
until we
that is how
settle
you
the
keep going
pregnancy
about it.
details.
Make your
Thank you
word
so
short
much.
as much
Zara,
as
thank you for
possible
coming.
and make
I
sure you
really
do not
appreciate it.
instruct more
We
than
need to
two
talk.
people to
If we
say
don't talk, how do we resolve
to
this
talk
issue?
in each
Henry, are you sure
generation.
you actually spoke
Okay,
with my friend?
if
Do
you
you remember
have
what
multiple
happened?
people to talk,
To be
if
sincere with
Mr.
you, I
A
can't
and
remember
B
what happened.
talks in
The only
this
thing I remember is
generation,
waking up
the
with
next
pregnancy and
generation
I
you
was
can
moving
have
my boxes.
Mr. B
Henry, I
and
spoke
Mr.
with my mom
C
before
to
coming
talk.
here.
In
After
the next
discussing
generation, you
everything
can
with
have
her, I
Mr.
think we're
A
good.
and Mr.
I think
C
so
to
too.
talk.
Putting
So
it on
that is
hold is the
what
better
I need you
option.
to
Please don't cancel
understand.
the
If you
wedding.
start creating your
Zara,
content,
what do you think we
your
should
AI
do about
movies
your
that
best
way,
friend and the
you'll be
baby?
able to get
First, we're
the
not talking about the baby's yours. We need to
dialogue
settle.
easy.
For now, don't say
First
anything
step
to
to
her. Let's
your
wait until the baby arrives.
dialogue
Henry,
scene
I'll have
is
to
your
get going now.
image. Okay, you
Please,
need
whatever
the
happens, keep
scene
me updated. She's
image. All right,
7 months
now you can
pregnant,
do
so in the
that
next
using
2 or 3
Cloud
months, she'll
or
give birth. Let's keep
ChatGPT. But in this
communication. I have
particular
something
video,
to
I am
discuss.
using ChatGPT to do that. Okay, so I will be showing you what I'm doing right on my screen here. The first thing, I head over to ChatGPT. Okay, now I asked ChatGPT to give me image prompt, okay, of the four people that will be in the scene. Okay, the scene I'm about to generate the video, there are four people in the scene. So I'm asking ChatGPT to give me the image prompt and equally what where they will be sitting and how they will be sitting. That is what I asked ChatGPT right here. You can pause to read what I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me four characters together. You can see it image prompt, four characters together. All right. Now ChatGPT gave to me, and this is all of it. Okay, I'll just go ahead and copy it all to the down of it. Now, before you do this, you must have single image of your characters. Now, this is a continuous series, a story I'm writing on that I'm using. Okay, so I have their characters already. So I went for Google Flow AI. It is good in image generation and video generation, and it is free. Okay, so you click on new project, it takes you here. All right, this is how it will come in. Okay, now you click on the plus. All right, click here, upload the image. Now, mind you, the image you're uploading, if you have about 4 images, you're uploading all of them. Now, I have 2 images because each of my character, there's image of my characters in twos. Okay, that is why I'm uploading only 2 image. Okay, now here is the 2 of them. Click on the plus. All right, click on the plus again. Upload the one of the mother and daughter. Okay, now this is a scene, a family meeting scene where mother and daughter and mother and son are together. So I pasted the prompt. Make sure you change it to image and 2 images. Nano Banana 2 is okay. You can go for Pro, but 2 is very much okay. Then you send it. All right. Now it is generating my image. This platform, Google Flow, is my best free AI video generator right now. That is what I'm using for my video generator. I'm usually using it for my image generation. Okay. So it is done and it has actually generated my image. Now, when you generate your image, go through it. If it suits what you're to work on, good. But one thing I feel like I need to do here is change the image. Sorry, the clothing the girl on the white is putting on. I think I should change it. Okay. So I'll just go ahead. Down here, you see, what do you want to change? Okay. Down here, I will type it, change the girl's top. All right. Let's see what it generates. Now, it is better. I'll go ahead and save it. Change it to green. Better. Why I decided to change it is that there's a scene where I've generated before where she was wearing the same clothes. So I do not want her wearing the same clothes. So I went ahead and saved it. Okay, I went back to ChatGPT. Now, the next thing to do is video prompt. Okay, now when you ask ChatGPT, you can pause this particular what I asked ChatGPT to do for me so you read it well. But let me explain. You tell ChatGPT to give you a video prompt with dialogue. Now, each time you generate your dialogue, remember as I explained earlier, you can't have multiple people talking at the same time. Okay, right here, the only people that are to talk is the mother and the son. Okay, the son part, the son and the mother, because they came visiting the girl's mom and the girl, to explain what is happening. It's a drama, So they are there to give an explanation to what has been happening. So now I've gone back. ChatGPT gave it to me. I went back to Google Flow and make sure it is in video frame 9.16 Omni Flash. Now, Omni Flash is very good when it comes to video generation. Omni Flash does a very good job. So make sure it is on Omni Flash, but you can change it if you do not want Omni Flash. You can go with any other one. Now that video is generating. I've gone back to ChatGPT again to give me another prompt. Okay. Remember, the mother and the son, they have done their video generation with dialogue. The second one is for the mother of the girl to respond to them. So that is what I'm asking ChatGPT to do for me. All right. I equally specified what the woman's mother, the girl's mom, will say and how she will say it. If she's to be angry, I specified it. Okay. Now, ChatGPT gave it to me. This is the video prompt. See, we are still on the one scene. That particular parlor, that particular sitting room, we are still generating videos for it. We have done the first generation. This is the second generation. Now, in this second generation, the mother of the girl and the girl will do the talking. The mother of the girl will do more of the talking here. We'll copy it all through down here. Okay, I've copied it. All right. This particular generation, the mother of the girl will do more of the generation. Now, I've logged out of that email. I logged in using another email because this Google Flow only allows you to generate 3 video, 1 email, 3 video, 1 email for free. So the same process again, click on start, Click up there, then insert the image again. Watch me, the same image where 4 of them are seated. This is the second time I am generating a video on it, but a different dialogue, and this time around different people to speak. Who is speaking? The mother of the girl. It is their turn to speak. Okay, so we click on start, input it, and go ahead and paste the video prompt. Now I will be showing you every scene that I generated, even the one that is not good, everything at the end of this video. Make sure it is on video and is on frame. Okay, and one video and Omni Flash. You can do view 3.5 that allows you to generate more, like 5 videos. But Omni Flash quality is better. Now, I've gone back to ChatGPT. You can see what I'm asking ChatGPT to do. I'm telling ChatGPT to rewrite the last video. Okay, rewrite the last video prompt, because the mother of the girl should be looking at the boy. How can you do such a thing? That is not how to do. How can you get pregnant, give pregnant your wife's best friend? I want that woman talking, looking at the boy. So ChatGPT, gave me another video prompt. Okay, so when you generate a scene and it is not giving you what you want, go back to ChatGPT and specify the area that is not good. ChatGPT rewrites it for you to fit in what you want. Okay, now I've done that. All right, ChatGPT gave it to me. I head back to Flow, all right, to regenerate it. Okay, there are times where you have to generate, that's a scene, the same dialogue, everything. You can generate it up to 2 times, in order to get that good dialogue you need. All right, remember, video frame size. Now this particular content I'm creating is for my TikTok and Facebook, so I've gone ahead to generate it. Now this is another video prompt. Okay, this is another video prompt that I'm requesting for. This time around, I want a situation. Now, you can see I'm doing voicing. I'm using voicing. When you get to ChatGPT, when you click on the mic, you'll be able to talk to ChatGPT and ChatGPT records it. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm recording, telling ChatGPT what I want. I've generated where the son and mother spoke, generated where the mom of the girl spoke. I want to generate where the guy himself will do more of the talking, where he's pleading, assuring the woman, the mother of the girl, this was never in my intention. I did not do it willingly. So that is the scene where I'm telling ChatGPT, what are the information I'm giving ChatGPT? I'm specifying that the guy on suit will do more of the talking. Still that same image. Still that same image. Get me? One image can get you up to 2 minutes video. One image, you can keep dialoguing, keep dragging, keep fighting. 1 minute, one scene can get you, one image can get you 2 minutes video in dramas. Okay, so I'm giving ChatGPT what the guy on suit will say, and not just that, what he's to say. Okay, and the kind of motion he should portray is very long. All right, and ChatGPT has given it to me. You can see, Henry, I'm so sorry. I honestly don't know what happened that night. I had some wine, and the next thing I remember, blah blah blah. I've copied it and I've gone back to Google Flow. All right, the same image, again. Why I'm specifying the same image, so you get to understand that one image can go multiple times, but different dialogue, different people to talk. By the time you bring them together, you will not know these are all 10 seconds. Like every video generation I've done so far, they are all 10 seconds video generation. And in the end, we have about 30. Okay, in the end, I've generated about 4 videos. That is about 40 seconds video. Okay, so I just need 2 more and I have 60-minute video, 60 seconds, sorry, that is 1 minute video. Okay, now it has generated. It is generating my last scene. Okay, it is generating it. All right. Now, when it comes to editing, you bring them up together and your minute, 2-minute video, 3-minute video is ready. All right. Now, this is one image that I generated. I generated a video on with dialogue up to 4 times. Different things, different dialogue all the time. The first, the mother and son spoke. The mother and daughter spoke. Now the son, this particular last one is the guy that is doing more of the talking. You get? So this is how you achieve a perfect dialogue. You go ahead and download it. I just download. Now I use InShot for my editing. Okay. Now I've taken it to InShot. I will input those 4 videos rather. All right. Listen to them. Any part that did not rhyme, feel free to cut it off. If it warrants you regenerating, feel free to equally regenerate it. Okay. So this is it. I will play what we generated at the end of this video. All right. Make sure to watch it. Now you can use CapCut for your editing, but I am using InShot. Okay, so I'll just go through it. Anyone that is not supposed to be there, I'll take it off and make sure you listen to it. It's important you listen. It is very much important you listen. I need to shift this. Now you can see some of the editing I'm doing. I'll watch it from the beginning again and see where it is not rhyming. Okay, anywhere that is not rhyming. Ahead. This, I love this. Okay, you see all that. So watch what I generated and drop your thoughts on the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.
Mrs. Chuku, we are here to see you about Know the Way Forward.
Ma, I never planned any of this. It happened at a birthday party. I never planned to hurt or disappoint your daughter.
Henry, I am so disappointed in you. How could you? How could you get your fiancé's best friend pregnant? How could you do this to our daughter? What kind of embarrassment is this? Henry, I am so disappointed in you. How could you get fiancé's best friend pregnant? How could you impregnate another woman going to my husband and me to ask for our daughter's hand in marriage? What kind of embarrassment is this?
Ma, I'm sorry. I honestly don't know what happened that night. I had some wine and I woke up beside her. I never meant for this to happen. Please give me a chance. I love Zara. I don't want to lose her.